Multilogin is an all-in-one anti-detect solution for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll show you how to set up profiles using built-in UK proxies, pre-warmed cookies, and reusable proxy templates. Start by opening your workspace in Multilogin. Click Create to start. Give the profile a descriptive name. Select pre-warmed cookies for your target platform. In this demo, we'll use Facebook cookies to create an authentic browser session. Select the residential proxy type and then choose the United Kingdom as your location. You can use city-level targeting. For this profile, we'll select London. Click Check Proxy to instantly verify the connection. Once the proxy check succeeds, clear the message and continue customizing your profile. Add tags and use the notes field to keep context for each profile. Tweak advanced options like time zone, WebRTC, storage, and fingerprint settings if needed. Next, save your profile. Your profile is now configured and ready to start. You can use AI quick actions to create multiple profiles at once. Simply type AI in the search bar. To duplicate an existing profile, use the clone option. Then simply choose how many cloned profiles you need and click Clone. Your new profiles will be created with the same base settings but remain fully isolated. For repeatable workflows, create a proxy template to reuse these settings. Click Create to add a new template. The template will store the proxy configuration you configured. Verify your proxies, click Create, and next time you'll find this template in the list when creating profiles. Let's get back to your profiles. Now it's time to launch our profile. Click Start. A window will open where you can confirm your IP address and location. From there, you can go to your target platform's website to log in or create new accounts, while staying undetected. Thanks for watching. Learn more on our website and YouTube channel. Sign up today to start managing your account's built-in UK proxies.